Here's a side hustle that you can literally set up in a few clicks and get passive income for the rest of your days. The internet gurus are going to be mad that I spilled this one. If you go over to Amazon and search up any genre of book, for example, kids books, it's going to give you a ton of books that sell like crazy. And I'd know because I read 3 of these for my little fellas each night. All of these books only had to be written once, and then Amazon takes care of the rest. And if you take this one, for example, it's sold over 14,000 copies at $12 each. That's $168,000 passively. Now I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of this without writing a single thing. First, go over to Google Chrome Store and download a plugin called AIPRM. It has over 2,000 templates for you to create anything you want. I think you know where this is going, right? We're going to choose the one that says write us an entire book. Type in one-click book, and with one click, it's going to create us a masterpiece. Type in what you want it to be about, and there you go. And don't think this is going to be book either. This AI is designed to be smarter and more creative than any human through its adaptive intelligence. And once your book is complete, go over to Amazon KDP, and Amazon are literally going to take care of everything else for you. Don't expect it to make you millions, but it's definitely going to be able to generate you some decent income to pay those bills. And if you want to learn how ordinary people like you and I are making 5 figures per month with affiliate marketing, follow and comment ready down below for a free guide.